Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Okay. You want to be in the movie? Yeah. So wave to the camera. So this is my sawmill. I haven't made a video yet of this for all my friends back east. But anyway, Bandsaw Mill. And this is like the kind of wood that we cut out of it. And the neighbor has a pretty big log here he wanted me to cut for him for the last 2-3 years, and it's got a lot of sap rot in it, but we'll see what we can get out of it. We load the wood up with our skid steer here because that's too heavy to lift, so I'm going to take a few slabs off here and see how it looks. Pretty rotten, but the blade's kind of dull too. The cut's nice. We're gonna flip the log around and take another video and see if we can get something out of the middle of it. See you in a bit.